Selecting a preferred payment method on Venmo is a straightforward process. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to accomplish this task effortlessly. To begin, open the Venmo application on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the Me tab located at the bottom of the screen. Within this tab, you'll find a gear icon positioned in the top right corner. Tap on this gear icon to access the settings menu. Once in the settings menu, locate and tap on the option labeled Payment Methods. Here, you'll encounter a list displaying the various payment methods linked to your Venmo account. Select the payment method you wish to set as your default option. Take a moment to review and confirm your selection. Ensure that the toggle switch next to Preferred Payment Method is switched on for your chosen method. With these simple steps completed, you've successfully designated your preferred payment method on Venmo. Now you can seamlessly conduct transactions with ease and convenience.